welcome to 90 Days Better. In today's video, we're focusing on an essential financial goal that can have a significant impact on your life, improving your credit score. A higher credit score can open doors to better loan terms, lower interest rates, and even increase job opportunities. Over the next few minutes, we'll walk you through a 90-day step-by-step guide to boosting your credit score, including practical tips on paying down debt, managing credit cards, and correcting credit report errors. Let's get started. A bit of context. The average American carries around $6,000 in credit card debt, while the median income stands at around $63,000. With a median savings of $4,500 and a per capita income of $37,000 per year, many struggle to manage their finances effectively. The average credit score hovers around the 700s, however, 40% of Americans' scores fall below this. With interest rates on the rise and credit card delinquency rates increasing, the average person is financially vulnerable. Today, we'll guide you through a 90-day plan to tackle debt, improve your credit score, and strengthen your financial foundation. The first step in improving your credit score is to understand where you currently stand. During week 1, start by obtaining a free credit report from one of the major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, or TransUnion. This report will give you a clear picture of your current credit score and the factors influencing it. Review your credit report in detail. Look for any inaccuracies, such as incorrect personal information, accounts you don't recognize, or misreported late payments. These errors can drag down your credit score, so it's crucial to dispute any inaccuracies immediately. Each credit bureau has a process for submitting disputes, and correcting these errors can lead to a quick boost in your score. Once you've reviewed your report, set a realistic goal for your credit score improvement over the next 90 days. While it's unlikely you'll see a dramatic jump in just 3 months, setting a target such as increasing your score by 20 to 50 points can keep you motivated. In weeks 2 and 3, the focus shifts to paying down debt, particularly credit card debt. Your credit utilization ratio, the amount of credit you're using compared to your total credit limit, is a significant factor in your credit score. Aim to keep your credit utilization below 30%, but the lower, the better. Start by prioritizing payments on your highest interest credit cards, as these are costing you the most in interest. If possible, make more than the minimum payment to reduce your balance more quickly. Consider using the snowball method, where you focus on paying off the smallest debt first, then move on to the next, or the avalanche method, where you target the highest interest debt first. If you find it difficult to pay down your debt quickly, consider transferring your balance to a card with a lower interest rate or consolidating your debts into a single loan with better terms. However, be cautious with balance transfers, as they can sometimes incur fees, and opening new accounts can temporarily lower your score due to a hard inquiry. As you continue to pay down your debt, weeks 4 and 5 are all about managing your credit cards wisely. First, ensure you're making all your payments on time. This is the most significant factor in your credit score, accounting for 35% of the total. If you're struggling to keep up with due dates, set up automatic payments or payment reminders. Even one missed payment can have a serious negative impact on your score, so staying on top of this is crucial. During this time, avoid closing any credit accounts, even if you've paid them off. Closing a credit card can reduce your available credit and increase your credit utilization ratio, which can hurt your score. Instead, keep these accounts open and occasionally use them for small purchases that you can pay off immediately. If you're tempted to spend, consider putting your cards in a place where they're not easily accessible, or even literally freezing them in a block of ice to make impulse purchases more difficult. As you move into weeks 6 through 8, it's time to revisit your credit report and check on the progress of any disputes you filed earlier. If your disputes were resolved in your favor, you should see an improvement in your credit score. If not, follow up with the credit bureaus to ensure the errors are corrected. Additionally, start monitoring your credit score regularly. There are many free tools and apps available that allow you to track changes in your credit score over time. This will help you stay on top of your progress and alert you to any sudden changes that might indicate fraudulent activity or new errors. During these weeks, continue to maintain good credit habits. Make all your payments on time. Keep your credit utilization as low as possible, and avoid applying for new credit unless absolutely necessary. Each of these actions contributes to a healthier credit score. In the final month, focus on building a positive credit history. If you don't have much credit history or if you're rebuilding your credit, consider becoming an authorized user on someone else's credit card account. Ideally, someone with a strong credit history. This addition could be vital in helping you build or rebuild your credit faster. Another strategy is to apply for a secured credit card if you don't already have one. A secured card requires a cash deposit as collateral, which minimizes the risk to the lender. Use this card to make small purchases and pay off the balance in full every month. Over time, responsible use of a secured card can significantly improve your credit score. Also, start planning for your financial future beyond this 90-day period. Set long-term credit goals such as reaching a score of 700 or higher, which is generally considered good credit. Continue to practice the habits you've developed over the past 3 months, such as making timely payments, keeping your credit utilization low, and regularly checking your credit report. By following these steps over the next 90 days, you should see a noticeable improvement in your credit score. The habits you've cultivated during this period will serve you well in the long run, helping you achieve a healthier financial future. Your credit doesn't have to be complicated, and now you have the tools to master it. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. After all, you or someone you care about may be just one video away from a better future. Let us know in the comments how your credit improvement journey is going, and check out other topics we cover in the world of better habits and self-improvement. Until next time, stay motivated and keep growing.